Good day, dear children. In this class, we can see the one words from the quarterly portions. Okay, these one words only. From these one words only, the questions will you get. Okay. B. Write true or false. Page number 11. Past and present. Lesson number 1. Page number 11. Archaeological remains are secondary sources. False. John Calvin was a famous Renaissance painter and sculptor. False. Vasco da Gama reached India in 1498. True. Britain was the first country to be industrialized. True. Reformation led to the growth of new towns and cities. False. Capitalism replaced the feudal system of economy. True. The Industrial Revolution led to imperialism. True. Britain and France were against the policy of acquiring colonies in Asia and Africa. False. Then you can turn the lesson number 2, page number 24. B. Tick the correct answers. The 13 British colonies were established along the dash coast of North America East. Philosophers such as John Locke and Dash inspired the colonists with their writings. Thomas Paine. The Declaration of Independence was drafted by Thomas Jefferson. The Treaty of Dash, signed in 1783, recognized the independence of the colonies. Paris. Louis Dash ruled France in 1789-16. The burden of taxation fell on the Third Estate. The French Republic was guided by the principles of Dash equality and fraternity liberty. Sweden, Austria, Russia and Dash formed an alliance against Napoleon Bonaparte, Prussia. Now you can turn the lesson number 3 in past and present, page number 32. Fill in the blanks. Slavery was a crucial point of dissension between the northern and southern states. Jefferson Davis became the president of the Confederate States of America. Ulysses Grant led the Union Army. The Gettysburg Address is one of the most famous speeches of Abraham Lincoln. Match the columns. Number 1. Northern states, abolitionist. Florida, Mississippi, southern states. Florida, Mississippi, southern states. General Robert Lee, leader of the Confederate Army. Abraham Lincoln, Emancipation Proclamation. Then the fourth lesson, you can turn the page number 42. A. Write true or false. The latter Mughals could not keep the empire intact. True. The Mughals had a strong navy. False. Shujauddin and Sirajuddaula ruled over Bengal. True. Maharaja Ranjit Singh united all the missiles. True. The third battle of Panipat was fought between the Marathas and the Mughals. False. From the past and present, we can learn the civics also. In it, you come to the page number 133. A. Fill in the blanks. The Lok Sabha is also known as lower house of the parliament. Number 2. The presiding officer of the Lok Sabha is also known as the Speaker. The Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. The draft of a proposed law is called a bill. Money bills are introduced in the Lok Sabha only. B. Match the columns. Lok Sabha directly elected by the people. General elections. Secret ballot. Coalition. A group of parties forming the government. Rajya Sabha, permanent body. The parliament, an organ of information. Then you turn the 12th lesson in past and present. The page number 141. Tick the correct answers. An electoral college elects the dash of India president. The president can be removed by the process of impeachment. The dash is responsible for the lapses of the government. Prime Minister. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers hold collective responsibility. The civil servants are elected by the UPSC. B. Right, true or false? A candidate for the office of the president should be 35 years of the age or more. True. The Prime Minister has the power to declare emergency. False. The President and the Prime Minister are part of the executive. True. The Vice President has the power to issue ordinance. False. The Prime Minister has the right to transfer a minister from one department to another. True. Then we can see the around the world answers. From around the world, you take page number 13 and 14. How many million sheets are drawn to cover the whole of India? 36. Which of these colors is used to draw contours? Brown. Which of these is not a settlement pattern? Dendritic. Which of these is not included in the marginal information about topo sheets? Scale. Parts of which of these states is shown in the topo sheet? 45D/10. Gujarat. Read the clues and write the names. The grid lines that run from east to west, northings. The V-shaped contours show this relief features valley. The side view of the cutoff a relief features profile. This type of settlement is found along a railway track, linear settlement. The main stream that flows through Sirohi and Banas, Kanta districts and shown on topo sheet 45D/10 red. Then we can move to the second lesson. Take page number 24. Tick the correct answers. Which of these regions is not sparsely populated? Deccan Plateau. Which of these factors has led to human settlements in the deserts? Government policy. Industrial pollution is an impact of overpopulation. Which of these factors is not the cause of change of population? Literacy. People in which age group are economically active? 15 to 59. Then the third lesson. You take page number 33. Migration from dash to dash areas is common in developing countries, villages, city. Unemployment and poverty are the Dash factors for migration push. The proportion of elderly population in places of out migration is high. Kerala receives remittance from the international migrants. Shortage of skilled professionals in the country of origin is an impact of brain drain. Match the columns. Migration for business. Urban to urban migration. Refugees migrate due to war. Emigrant, a person who leaves her or his country to settle elsewhere. Quebec, inhabited by French immigrants. Brain drain, human capital, flight. Okay, dear children, study the one words. Thank you. God bless you all, dear children.